तुमने बहुत धैर्य रखा। You showed great patience. You showed great patience. मुझे अब पहले से ज्यादा आत्मविश्वास है। I'm more confident now than before. I'm more confident now than before. यह बात मेरे लिए मायने रखती है। This matters to me. This matters to me. मैं सही समय का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ। I'm waiting for the right time. I'm waiting for the right time. मुझे इस काम में मजा आ रहा है। I'm enjoying this work. I'm enjoying this work. यह रास्ता थोड़ा लंबा है। This route is a bit longer. This route is a bit longer. मैं जल्दी हार नहीं मानता। I don't give up easily. I don't give up easily. मुझे तुम पर पूरा विश्वास है। I have complete faith in you. I have complete faith in you. आज सब कुछ योजना के अनुसार हुआ। Everything went according to plan today. Everything went according to plan today. मैं यह मौका हाथ से नहीं जाने दूंगा। I won't let this opportunity slip away. I won't let this opportunity slip away. मुझे यह बात साफ-साफ कहनी थी। I wanted to say this clearly. I wanted to say this clearly. यह काम उम्मीद से जल्दी पूरा हो गया। This work was finished sooner than expected. This work was finished sooner than expected. मैं फिर कभी कोशिश करूंगा। I will try again another time. I will try again another time. मुझे इस फैसले पर गर्व है। I'm proud of this decision. I'm proud of this decision. अभी तक सब कुछ ठीक रहा है। Everything has been fine so far. Everything has been fine so far. मैं अपनी पूरी क्षमता से काम कर रहा हूँ। I'm working to the best of my ability. I'm working to the best of my ability. यह शुरुआत अच्छी लग रही है। This seems like a good start. This seems like a good start. मुझे थोड़ा और अभ्यास चाहिए। I need a little more practice. I need a little more practice. मैं बिना वजह बहस नहीं करता। I don't argue without a reason. I don't argue without a reason. यह आदत बदलने में समय लगेगा। It will take time to change this habit. It will take time to change this habit. मुझे इस चुनौती का सामना करना है। I have to face this challenge. I have to face this challenge. तुमने मेरी उम्मीद से बेहतर किया। You did better than I expected. You did better than I expected. मैं इस मौके का पूरा फायदा उठाऊंगा। I will make the most of this opportunity. I will make the most of this opportunity. मुझे अभी इस पर ध्यान देना है। I need to focus on this now. I need to focus on this now. यह फैसला भविष्य को ध्यान में रखकर लिया गया। This decision was made with the future in mind. This decision was made with the future in mind. मैं हर गलती से कुछ सीखता हूँ। I learn something from every mistake. I learn something from every mistake. मुझे तुम्हारा विचार पसंद आया। I liked your idea. I liked your idea. यह बात सुनकर मुझे राहत मिली। I felt relieved after hearing this. I felt relieved after hearing this. मैं हमेशा समय का सम्मान करता हूँ। I always respect time. I always respect time. मुझे अपनी प्राथमिकताएं तय करनी है। I need to set my priorities. I need to set my priorities. यह काम मेरी उम्मीद से बेहतर निकला। This work turned out better than I expected. This work turned out better than I expected. मैं अब पहले से ज्यादा सावधान हूँ। I'm more careful now than before. I'm more careful now than before. मुझे इस बारे में कोई शिकायत नहीं है। I have no complaints about this. I have no complaints about this. मैं कल फिर कोशिश करूंगा। I will try again tomorrow. I will try again tomorrow. यह निर्णय मेरे लिए आसान नहीं था। This decision wasn't easy for me. This decision wasn't easy for me. मुझे यकीन है कि सब ठीक होगा। I'm sure everything will be fine. I'm sure everything will be fine. यह मेरे लिए एक नया अनुभव था। It was a new experience for me. It was a new experience for me. मैं हर दिन बेहतर बनने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to become better every day. I try to become better every day. मुझे अब आगे बढ़ना है। I need to move forward now. I need to move forward now. यह सफर अभी शुरू हुआ है। This journey has just begun. This journey has just begun. मैं अपने फैसले पर कायम हूँ। I stand by my decision. I stand by my decision. मुझे इस पर कोई संदेह नहीं है। I have no doubt about it. I have no doubt about it. आज का दिन मेरे लिए खास रहा। Today was special for me. Today was special for me. मेरा फोन चार्ज पर लगा दो। Put my phone on charge. Put my phone on charge. मैं 5 मिनट में पहुंच रहा हूँ। I will be there in 5 minutes. I will be there in 5 minutes. इसे वहीं रहने दो। Leave it there. Leave it there. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? मुझे आज बाजार से कुछ सामान खरीदना है। I need to buy a few things from the market today. I need to buy a few things from the market today. लाइट बंद कर दो। Turn off the light. Turn off the light. मैं तुम्हें बाद में मैसेज कर दूंगा। I will text you later. I will text you later. खाना अभी तैयार नहीं हुआ है। The food isn't ready yet. The food isn't ready yet. मेरी चाबी कहाँ है? Where is my key? Where is my key? इसे ज्यादा मत खींचो। Don't stretch it too much. Don't stretch it too much. मुझे सुबह जल्दी जगा देना। Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning.